All right, if you're an ambitious trades entrepreneur, there's one state that should be at the very top of your list, and that state is Texas. The growth there is it's off the charts. Today, we're going to break it all down, the numbers, the top trades, and how you can figure out your own personal game plan for 2026. Let's get right into it.
And let's just start by putting that right on the table. This stuff is not easy. It's tough. But the whole reason we're doing this explainer is to show you how to do it right, because the reward, especially in a market like Texas, is absolutely 100% worth the effort.
Okay, so let's dive into the lay of the land. To really get the opportunity, you first have to understand the sheer scale of what is happening in Texas right now. And we're going to start with the hard numbers.
2.6 million. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's basically the entire population of a city like Houston showing up in Texas since just 2020. This isn't just some random statistic, folks. It's the single biggest engine driving demand for everything, from brand new construction to simple home repairs. Every one of those people needs a roof over their head, and that is where our opportunity begins.
And here's a look at how the state is even trying to keep up. We're talking almost 880,000 people working in construction as we speak. This tells you that this isn't some boom that's fizzling out. No way. The state is still in a full-on sprint, building as fast as it can, just to house all the people who are arriving.
And this is what it looks like on the ground month after month. Over 12,000 permits for single-family homes in just 1 month. So you've got this massive wave of people moving in, a huge workforce trying to play catch-up, and a constant, non-stop pipeline of new homes. This is the economic weather system, and it's creating this perfect storm of opportunity for the trades we're about to look at.
So, the big question is, how does all this big picture growth actually translate down to your business? Well, let's take a little tour of a few key trades and see what the real opportunities and, the challenges look like.
First up, roofing. Now, in Texas, roofing isn't just construction. It's practically a force of nature, driven by all the hail and windstorms. The opportunity is constant, but the headwind, insurance companies are getting way stricter, mostly because they've been burned by these out-of-state storm chasers who do terrible work and then vanish. So the winning play here isn't about chasing storms. It's about being a legit, professional, well-documented local business that insurance adjusters actually trust.
Okay, next up is fencing. This trade is tied directly to all those new subdivisions we were just talking about. The demand is literally built in. The tricky part here is navigating this crazy patchwork of local city rules and all the different homeowners associations. The really smart move? Become the go-to expert for a few of the most popular HOA-approved fence designs in one specific fast-growing area. You just standardize and dominate.
So what about something a little more technical, like generator installation? This is a really interesting niche, and it's fueled directly by this widespread anxiety over the Texas power grid. The barrier to entry is definitely higher. You absolutely need an electrical license, but for those who can clear that hurdle, this whole homeowner desire for energy resilience is a powerful long-term trend that's not going anywhere.
Okay, so this brings us to a really crucial point. With all these options on the menu, which trades really offer the best shot for a new entrepreneur who's just starting out today? I mean, where should you really focus your energy?
Well, when you weigh that massive demand against a lower barrier to entry, 3 trades just consistently rise to the top for a new business owner. And they are roofing, painting, and fence installation. These are really the sweet spots where huge market demand meets a much more accessible starting point. And this really brings you to a fundamental choice you have to make. Are you built for a high-volume, crew-heavy business like roofing or painting? Or does a more technical, higher barrier niche, think generators or EV chargers, fit your skills and your personality better? Knowing which path is your path is absolutely critical.
Because look, understanding the market is half the battle. But the other half, the one that really matters, is knowing if your specific idea in your specific corner of Texas is actually going to work.
So how do you bridge that gap between the big picture and your own plan? Well, the source material for this explainer actually comes from the team at Bypass Capital, and they built a tool for this exact problem. It's a free AI platform that they call the Viability Scan, and it's designed to take all of this broad market data and apply it directly to your business idea.
It analyzes the things that actually matter, right in your target zip code. What's the real local demand? Who are you really going up against? And, based on your own experience, are there any underserved niches that you could just walk in and dominate? It takes all of that and distills it into one single, clear viability score.
So, if you're serious about making a move in the Texas market, this is your next step. It's totally free, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it gives you a real data-driven answer on exactly where you stand. You can check it out at bypasscapital.com/vscan.
And I'll just leave you with this question. What if your business idea is even more viable than you think it is? The Texas market is moving incredibly fast. So if you know somebody who's been talking about taking that leap, do them a favor and share this explainer with them. It might just be the push they need. Thanks for watching.